Good evening, everyone. If I'm audible and I'm visible, give me a yes in the chat box so that we can get started. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, Vijita. Hi, Vidulika, ma'am. Yes, yes, come on camera. I'd love to see you.
Hello.
Agmani.
Oh,
Yes,
by mistake.
no problem. Hi, hi. Come on camera, everybody. I love to see you, Arya, Charan. Hi, Sushant. So good to see you. Sunita, Vijita. Sadhna, ma'am. Hi. Where's everyone? Divya, Grishma, Lata, Nagmani. Nagmani, you can't hide. You have to come. You are a upcoming super healer. Namrata, Padmini, Priya, Renu, Sandy, Nagalakshmi, Vaibhavi, Varnika, Vanilla, Vidulika is there. Vijita. Yes, come on camera, all of you. You have to be visible. Yes, yes. Hi, Padmini, ma'am. So good to see you. Lovely. So today's session is all about learn to heal. It's with two categories of people. Okay, the title that you see which says learn to heal is with two kind of people. The first is when people say I want to heal myself, I want to learn how I can heal myself. I'm going to give you some guidance on how you can do that. And the second category of people are those who learn various healing modalities, and then they come up to a client, they find a client, and then they message me, ma'am, I found the client, now how do I heal? And all I tell them is, you've learned so many things, just implement everything. But there is a challenge in implementing there. And that is why I feel these sessions are very essential, where you actually practically practice how to do that and get some insight into that. So, first category of people, this is how you start your journey of healing if you want to start healing. Number one, if you feel that my life is messed up, this is called as awareness. Okay. First thing is bringing awareness into your life, into your mind, into your system that yes, something is not that great. And this comes to people only when they are aligned to do something. If they're not aligned to it, this message will not come to them. If they are aligned and they're meant to do something, mess will happen. They will think, why this is happening to me? Why everyone else is enjoying in life? Why is my life only like this? So, what is the solution? And they keep searching here and there. Okay, what are the options? What is the solution? What is the remedy? What is this number? What is this color? What can help me? And they start surfing and find out that there is an option called healing, and they bump on to healing and then they learn healing. All right, that is the first category of people. Second category of people are those who have started their journey with healing themselves. They simply saw that transformation, they loved that journey, they enjoy the subject, and then they say, I want to learn more. I want to learn more. I want to learn more. And they start learning more and more and more. And they start digging more and more. The more you learn, the more you feel that there's so much more to learn. And then you keep learning. And then there comes a point where they feel, this is amazing. Come on camera, guys. All of you come. Nazia, why are you hiding? Come on, you should come here. Yeah, I love to see all of you. I need to see how Varnika looks, how Vanilla looks, how Vaibhavi looks, how Nagalakshmi looks. Yeah, see, I feel so good, Nazia, now. Hi, Preetham. Good to see you here back. So then you come to a point where you feel that this has worked for me. I'm so happy these modalities have worked for me. I'm so happy I've got the knowledge of all of this. And now I feel I want to start helping another person. I want to start teaching another person. I want to guide another person. I want to counsel another person. And there starts the second version of Learn to Heal, wherein you learn how you can heal another person. Starts with you, ends with teaching another person, guiding another person, healing another person, right? So the first thing is awareness that yes, something is not working, and then how do you correct that is by learning. Knowledge is very, very powerful, right? So when we talk about healing, let me start with the physical part. Okay, there are two parts, one the physical body and one the physical house that we live in. So the first thing is our physical body. We need to start working on our body, which is eating right, exercising right, doing the right things for our body, which starts with self love, where you start valuing that I need to take care of myself. Okay, it's not always that I'm taking care of a person and all of that. It's like starting to take care of yourself a lot, much more than just eating right, which means that thinking right, feeling right, and not allowing anybody to hurt you. Which doesn't mean that you tell people, "Mujhe hurt mat karo, I am in the journey of healing." No, It's just that you start learning that no matter what people think, whatever talk, whatever they behave, whatever actions they're taking, you learn to be unaffected. That is a superpower. How does that come? It comes with practice, right? The moment somebody says, तुम्हारे बाल अच्छे नहीं लग रहे, ये लिपस्टिक क्यों लगाया, ये ड्रेस क्यों पहना, ऐसा क्यों कलर किया, and you get affected. Oh my God, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा क्या? Should I change it? What happened? I think I will change it. This is being affected immediately. So vulnerable anybody you are that anybody can just play with you. They can make you cry. They can make you hurt. They can make you feel low by just their words. Imagine how weak you become. Yeah. But then it's a superpower when someone says, you're not looking good. You say, it's okay. Your dress is not good. It's okay. You're like, it's okay. You don't like it. Don't do it. I'm happy. That's a superpower. It doesn't come with arrogance. It comes with a state of mind of calmness, which is the first thing, where you start appreciating everything about you, loving everything about you, and say that nothing can hurt me. I'm in a wonderful state of being. Second thing is your physical space. I want your physical space to be very organized, clean, neat, and decluttered. जिसको जो चाहिए उतना ही सामान रखो. Don't keep anything that's extra, anything that's not working, anything that's broken, anything that's very old, and most importantly, anything which does not belong to you. If you have other things lying down, like when I got this concept of understanding that I don't want to keep others things, I should not keep it. I just started going into every cupboard, every nook and corner of my house. I started separating those things which do not belong to me, and I returned back to them. That आपका scarf मेरे पास रह गया था, आप जब आए थे कुछ छूट गया था, please take it back. Just give it back to wherever that particular thing belongs. And you will see that your physical space is beautifully aligned. It's a very important that your physical space, the place that you live in, needs to be very aligned and organized. Your half of the problem of the mind is very much cleared. Second things comes your mind. When you, this is all I'm teaching for anybody who wants to start with how do I heal myself. Then I'm going to come to how do you heal others. I'm going to teach you that also. Comes to the mental space where you learn that I don't want to use my time to learn how to handle this person, how to change this person, how to teach this person to talk right to me, what does another person should do right? Yes, no, no. Where you use all your knowledge to just work on yourself. मुझे नया सीखना है, नया, I want to learn something, I want to upgrade something, I want to work all my 24 hours energy only towards upgrading your knowledge and understanding how I can help myself. The third thing is your emotions. Every time you feel an emotion, you need to bring that awareness. Is it good for me? Is it bad for me? So let's say a guilt emotion comes that why did I even do this? It's a guilt. Find out that guilt vibration is low. I bought this dress. I spent 1,000 rupees. I think I paid more. I saw another shop where they're giving this for 800. You start feeling bad. At least 2 hours, you keep thinking, 200 extra chale gaye, chale gaye, chale gaye, chale gaye. This is feeling bad. You say no. I choose to say that even if I pay 200 extra, maybe it's a better quality. Maybe it's a different design. Maybe the material is different. So it's you who teaches you not to feel bad. Nobody else is going to come. Maybe if you tell somebody, they will say, "Tum pagal ho. Tumko do jagah dekhna tha and then you bought. Why did you do this in a rush?" And then you'll feel more bad. So don't go and ask opinion. Was it right? Was it wrong? No. You need to teach and talk to yourself. How do I do this? Right? Could you increase the audio sound? Sir, it is you who need to increase the audio sound. I'm right, I guess. Nagmani, can you hear me? Yes. Sundaresh, sir, you need to turn up your volume. All right. So mentally is done, physically is done, emotionally, any emotion you feel, happy, sad, low, high, angry, you need to identify, is it a good feeling or a bad feeling? Bad feeling, you need to convert that into a good feeling and continue to start feeling good. Only that will help you raise your vibration. Okay, that's the emotion. Coming to the energetic part, there are so many beautiful ways to cleanse your energy and then to start aligning your energy. Cleansing your energy, start cleansing your body with salt water. Have bath with salt water every single day in the beginning when you're feeling low. Eventually you can shift to once a week, then eventually once in 15 days, once in a month, and eventually you can do it only when you feel low. Only whenever you feel that aaj thoda problem lag raha hai, take some salt, put it in your water and have a nice shower. But the other days, just when you're feeling low, in the beginning, every single day, salt water for a really long time. That's one beautiful way of energy cleansing. Second thing is, yes, rock salt is good, sir. Rock salt. The second thing is do aura cleansing. So just take a cup doop or a palo santo or a sage or a incense, anything that gives some smoke, gives some good aroma, and has some cleansing effect. And just rotate around your body 3 times and say these lines: anything that does not serve me, may it be cleansed. Anything that does not serve me, may it be cleansed. When you do this with conscious effort, you realize that whatever does not belong to me, I'm just cleaning that. Energetic cleaning is very, very essential. The third thing that you can do is take incense and go to every corner of your house and rotate it anti-clockwise. Rotate in the anti-clockwise direction, every corner of your house. Kitchen, hall, bedroom, bathroom, hall, foyer, everything. And rotate it anti-clockwise and say rum, 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 rum. Rum is the beej mantra of fire. And when you do it anti-clockwise, you remove the unwanted energy. So you remove the unwanted energy and do it for 21 days. You will see magical difference in just 21 days. The energy of the house is cleansed and you feel so much more better. And the last thing is your company. The people that you associate with, the people that you choose to spend time with, the people that you choose to talk to, you have to choose your company very cautiously. So there will be a lot of people who are thinking कि घर के लोगों का क्या करना है. So I will say that the ones that you choose, I want you to get a community of positive people, like-minded people, where you start talking and they understand, they listen, and they are able to vibrate at the similar frequency that you do. And coming to the people in the house, if you start vibrating high, those people also eventually will start vibrating high. How does it happen? That's magical. You need to experience it in order to believe that things like this can happen. Initially, just work on yourself. Eventually, you will see everyone in the house will start turning positive. That is magical. This is the first part of how you can learn to heal yourself. After this, I'm going to the second part, which is how you can heal another person and how you become a professional healer also. For that, I need to just clear these doubts. So I allow you to just raise your hand if you have any doubts on how to start your journey with self-healing. Any doubts, anybody? Yes. Renu, unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good
Good
evening.
to be connected here.
Yes.
Just wanted to know ki anti-clockwise what I have to do. Rum, rum, rum. Every
Incense,
corner. What
agarbatti.
was that? Agar. Yes. Okay. I didn't knew that word actually.
Yeah.
Can you tell me again the English word of that?
Incense sticks.
Yes, incense sticks. I
Yes.
didn't hear the sticks at all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Any more doubts? Or we can go to the next part. Oh, sorry. Yes, Sundaresh sir, unmute yourself.
Namaskar.
Namaskara.
Meeting you after 1 month.
Sorry?
Meeting you after 1 month, ma'am.
Yes, 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 absolutely.
Yeah. So how was your Kumbh trip?
Sorry?
How was your Kumbh trip?
How was the?
Kumbh Mela trip.
Very nice, sir. Awesome. Amazing.
Okay. Madam, I want to ask this Ram Ram Ram, can we do it with Samrani?
Yes, you can do it with Samrani.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. You can do it with Samrani. You can do it with something called as Palo Santo. You can do it with Agarbatti. You can do it with sage. Any of these are allowed. Okay. The second part is here, which is called as learn to heal. And this is for others, right? For others, how do you heal? When you want to heal others, you need to have your basics right. You need to have your foundations right. So the LKG of healing is your chakras. You have to have your chakras knowledge 100% in and out. What is the color of the chakra? What is the name of the chakra? What is the purpose of the chakra? Why would a chakra be blocked? How to unblock the chakra? What foods to eat? What bija mantra to chant? What affirmations to chant? How do you align your chakras? How do you cleanse your chakras? All of this knowledge is like the most important, because when you go into another person's life, which can be person A today, person B tomorrow, person C tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and yes, you will keep meeting people with different problems, you need to definitely understand that each person's problem is different, each person's story is different, and that is why your solutions also will be different. And that can happen when you understand the बेसिक फाउंडेशन प्रॉब्लम कि कहाँ से ये प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, राइट फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड, हाउ यू विल बी एबल टू फिगर आउट व्हाट इज द इशू, at what age this trigger happened, and that is very, very important. So you have to get your chakra balancing knowledge. You need to understand about aura. Aura is something that's the energy outside our body. Chakra is the energy inside our body. So you need to understand the layers of the aura, which aura is affecting which particular aspect of our life, what are the different layers of aura that we have, and how do we work on the aura just to work on the life of the person. So you need to be thorough with your aura knowledge, okay? A lot of knowledge with aura. Then you need to have a lot of knowledge of understanding what is karma. Because when a person comes and asks you, why did this happen to me? You must be able to give them that beautiful explanation of what is prarabdha karma, what is sanchit karma, what is nikachit karma, baddha karma. There's a lot of knowledge, beautiful knowledge about karma, which you should 100% get knowledge, and which you can take it forward to them and make them understand that what is happening in your life, why is it happening. Then you need to understand about the blockages that a person can have, which are karmic blockages. It's called karmic blockages. Every person has a different karmic, pattern. When you talk to a person and they say, I attempted my first business, this was the problem. I attempted after 5 years second business, this was the problem. After again 3 years, I did this business, this was the problem. You will see a pattern in their life. Whatever they are attempting, it is just repeating again and again. Same thing with even love. I fell in love with the first person, this is what happened. And I fell in love with the second person, this is what happened. So I am now hungry for true love. Now I am hungry for getting some, the right pure love, the right person in my life. So that is a pattern that is there. So similarly, you will find these are the two easy examples, and that's why I took them: money and relationship. These are the top two problems that people majorly face. After that comes health. After that comes so many other problems, but these are the two main problems that majorly they come in different ways. They tell the story in different ways, but ultimately it's either money or it's relationship, and that's why it's easy to explain. So you need to understand that this is a karmic blockage, or this is a blockage they have created. Is it a blockage that's coming from their childhood? Is it a self-created? It is from a person that they have seen. Like, I'll give you at least 2-3 examples where it's easy to identify. There was this girl who was not getting married. And when I spoke to her, I asked her, what's your age? She said, I'm 35 now. And I said, okay, how happy have your parents been? She said, they're good, they're happy. And how happy are whatever. Now I asked them, whoever is there in the family, she had a bade papa and bade mummy. They live together. And she's seen them fight all the time. From their childhood, she's seen them fighting, she's seen them breaking up, she's seen them patching up, and she's seen all that physical abuse and all that. And then I said, have you picked up somewhere from there that marriage is not good? She said, yes. From my childhood, ever since I saw them in the house fighting, I used to feel that, no, I don't want to get married. So at the age of 35, we realized that since her childhood, if she's seen a pattern like that in her own house as a small baby, she's somewhere instilled that. And that's how we started working from there, from that 3-year-old child, from that 2-year-old child. And, it will happen. I am telling you, it will happen. She's still not engaged or married, because it was just a very recent, like just about a week back, I had this consultation. It did affect. And sometimes it is karmic, sometimes it's childhood, sometimes it is self-created, where they themselves are creating that blockages. If you talk to them, they will say, I've met 50 boys, but I have not agreed. They might have agreed, I have not agreed. So if you sit and ask them why they have not agreed, they will have their own stories of why they're not agreeing, and you can solve that out. So everybody's story is different. You need to identify कि कहाँ पे problem है, and then you need to give them the right solution. So this karmic blocks is a beautiful subject which you need to understand. Coming to angels, when you want to raise your vibration, you can't be in the vibration of just these human beings. Who doesn't have the, India is so populated that anywhere you go to a mall, you go to a temple, you go anywhere, you have crowd, so much of crowd that you will meet people. But you don't want to be in that vibration. You want to raise into a higher vibration. So when you get connected to angels, a lot of people say this is not belonging to my religion, maybe. But let me tell you, angels do not belong to any religion. Angels are just being of love and light, which are just beings to help you, to guide you, to support you, to raise your frequency. So you need to learn about the angels and you need to connect with them. They will guide you, they will support you, and slowly they will raise your vibration. So sometimes you feel too low and too stuck that I don't feel anything is doing good in my life. I'm not feeling happy. I'm not feeling confident. Things are not working the way I wish them to be. This is a state of being low vibration. The moment you connect to angels, you raise your vibration, right? The moment you connect to angels, you start seeing that there is help here and there. You start feeling कि कहीं ना कहीं से तो help आएगा. That's such an amazing feeling that somebody is there to help you. Then you learn symbols. Then you learn colors, which color has what frequency. So which color I should use for this particular reason, which color, like assuming if I've chosen purple color here today, it is simply because purple is the color of Sahasrara, which is to do with healing, which is to do with spirituality, which is to do with the right enlightened energy. So it is a conscious choice that I have selected this color for today. So if I'm doing a session on money, I'll generally have either green or I'll have red. Red is the Muladhara and green is for growth. So you can see that there is a conscious effort on a daily basis on how to align to that energy. Every day while I'm wearing my bracelets, I'm very conscious of what I want today. And then I wear it. And then I know that this is what I wanted and this is what I'm wearing. So I'm going to achieve that. So it's very beautiful. Learn about crystals. Crystals are something that's keeping on supporting you. Even you don't have to put some effort. Sometimes you have to put effort. And sometimes you are in that energy that you want to put effort. And when you feel, nahi yaar, I don't have any energy to put any effort, I want something to help me, wear crystals. Crystals are there around you. Just program them, wear them, and they will keep aligning you to the energy that you want. So be very conscious about which crystals you want to wear. And once you start falling in love, I've seen a lot of those reels. Maybe you will also see. Initially, you pick up one or two, bracelets, or you pick up some tumbles and you say, this is enough. And eventually, when you fall in love with crystals, you have like so much of crystals that you start hoarding yourself with. I am one of them. Initially, when I went, I used to buy one or two. And I used to see my mentor. She has bill of 7,000, 8,000, 10,000. I used to feel, kitna kharid rahi hai? Why she's buying so much? I used to feel. Eventually, I was one of them buying like the big bills for crystals because I fell in love with those kind of crystals. It's such an amazing energy once you start understanding crystals. So these are subjects once you start learning, you will be finding it very easy to heal another person. And now if you feel I want to become a professional healer, learn Reiki. Reiki is which authentifies you to be a healer, right? After learning Reiki, after being certified in Reiki, you can chhati, bada karke you can say, I am a healer. Somebody, if they ask you, what is your credibility? Tell me, how are you, authenticated to help me? How are you going to heal me? How are you charging me? Tell me. You can say, I'm a Reiki healer. Reiki healer authentifies you to be healing another person. The other courses till now, which I told you, is just for knowledge, which is like to be learning the foundation. Without that, you can't, start understanding a lot of things. So concepts need to be cleared with the other courses. But the moment you step into Reiki, it's another beautiful layer which opens up. And you start learning how to do distance healing, how to use symbols, how to use the white light, how to connect to people, how to cleanse them, and so much more that you learn from Reiki. That's the most amazing course. Once you learn, then it's a beautiful world, right? You have level 1, you have level 2, and you have level 3. Level 1 for self-healing, level 2 for healing another person, level 3 for teaching another person, right? When you want to teach another person, you will learn the 3rd level, which is the master level. Now, after you learn Reiki, you go to the higher vibration courses, like there is theta brain waves, there's Ho'oponopono, there's EFT, and so many other courses that you can start learning when you want to go a little higher and understanding कि सिर्फ ऐसा करने से क्या होगा. That you will understand when you start learning these basic courses, what is happening. When we talk about blockages clearing, many people don't understand if you don't have your foundations right. So please get your foundations right, and then you will be able to understand a lot more beyond that. So until here, we are learning, and healing another person. And here you are healing people, you are connecting to them, you're listening to their stories, you're understanding their problems, you're trying to find a solution for them. And then when you feel that I am quite good at it, I speak well, I think I'm helping someone. After 1 month, this person calls up and says, I feel better. The results are good. I am feeling like confident now. That's when you take this up as a professional level, where you feel कि अब कुछ बड़ा करते हैं. And when you think like that, that's when you learn how you are supposed to now not just learn, but now you're supposed to teach another person. So how do you make courses? How do you take these consultations? How do you do these webinars? How do you, understand people's problem and counsel them? How do you connect on these one-on-one calls? How do you start a call? How do you end a call? How do you make combination of healing modalities? How do you answer that biggest question when people ask, will I get result? Will I get result? That's the most common question when people say, "ठीक है, ma'am, 21 days healing hai, I will pay you, give me your GPay number, I will transfer you the money. But what is the guarantee that I will get result?" So how do you handle such questions? How do you actually help them? How do you give your 100% in ensuring that the person will feel better, will get results, will be aligned to the right energy? That comes with the confidence of knowledge. Once you have the knowledge, you're no more the same old person who is like clueless and thinking that will this person get results. When you're understanding the science behind all of this, which comes through repeated learning, you are now capable of asking and answering anybody's questions. Today, if I'm here out and putting it in WhatsApp groups and everywhere that guys come over and ask your questions and I'm here to answer, it's just that you have your foundation so right that anybody can just raise their hand and ask their question and I can answer it. This comes with repeated learning, continuous learning, which I want each one of you to do. Learning has to be like forever. It will go on forever. Never feel that, bahut ho gaya. I've learned enough. If that happens, then it's, you're stopping your own growth. You have to continue to keep learning because you know that every level needs a different person. Go to one learning, udhar ka jo kaam hai khatam karo. Then go to next level, then udhar ka kaam khatam karo. Then you go to another level, then you do like this. So never think that, I have learned enough. There's always another version which requires a different knowledge for yourself. And that's going to help you. So once you want to launch yourself professionally, find the right ways to launch. The first and the easiest way is to make your own course. Because when you make your own course, you are not actually working, but you are just spreading that to everybody who wants to learn, and sitting at the comfort of their house, they're learning and connecting to your energy. How amazing is that? You just give your courses to everybody who wants to connect to you, and they will see you even when you are doing whatever in your own life. Yeah, how amazing is that? So make your own course, start connecting to people for one-on-one calls, start taking webinars, start doing these understanding of what is the problem and getting into the solution. Lot of things that you can do. Pricing, you should learn how I'm supposed to price them, how am I supposed to package them, from where will I get these clients, how will I talk to them, how will I present myself, how do I get that confidence. So of course, everything that I'm talking, there is coaching for each and everything, whether you want to heal yourself, whether you want to learn healing modalities, whether you want to launch yourself. If you feel something within you is there which says, I want to heal myself, get in touch. Something within you says, I want to learn, get in touch. Anything within yourself says, I want to launch, get in touch. We have solutions for everything. And the most massive transformation happens in one of these things, which I'm going to tell you now. Any guesses? I want you to put in the chat box. What do you think will make the massive change in the shortest amount of time? I must get 5-6 answers only, then I'm going to give you the solution. Vijita, come on, go ahead and put something. How will a person get massive transformation if they're looking for some massive transformation? Nagmani says learning and implementation, yes. Practice, yes. When you get the journey to heal others, yes. Action taker, yes. Few more. Working on self, yes. Consistently, yes. Mindset, yes. Our frequency changes, yes. Positive attitude, yes. How do you get all of this? How do you get, like, all of you are sitting, focus, yes. Interacting with everyone, yes. Thinking positive, yes. Accountability, yes. All of this is yes. How do you get there? Mentor, yes. You need all of this. Learning, practice, yes. But connecting with Madhura ma'am, thank you so much for saying I love you. Nagalakshmi, I'm going to do something for you. Yeah, from your guidance. That's also yes. All of that, yes. Show up, yes. Energy, yes. MG, thank you so much for saying that. So this is a beautiful Nagalakshmi. This is for you. Yeah. Gaining knowledge, yes. All of that is yes. But how do you get all of this in the shortest amount of time? Like, I'll give you an example. Like Nagmani has been learning from me for 1 year now. Nagmani, 1 year, yeah. So she is learning from me. She started with healing herself, then she started learning a lot of modalities. She chose to learn 30 healing modalities. Now she has learned how she can launch herself, and she's on the journey of launching. It took her 1 year to do that. Sundaresh sir, he came to me for healing himself. Then he started learning healing modalities. Today he is also, I'm talking about people who are on the screen right now. They are on the journey of teaching and helping another person. So all this is taken, I think Sundaresh sir is associated for 6 months, Nagmani is associated for 1 year, Padmini ma'am is associated for 2 months, Nazia 2 months. Example. Vidulika is just about 15 days. She's connected for some learning and thing. The fastest way to transform is you need to come into my 2 days healing event. Yeah. Yes, it's happening on 29th and 30th of March. In 2 days, you experience what transformation is. You experience what healing is. You experience how knowledge can be massively transformed. You experience how the power of networking is. You experience how it feels like to get Reiki. So I'm going to give you a little bit of insight into it, which I wanted to keep as surprises, but I'm going to reveal it because I want people to take the shortest journey and make it fastest to reach there. Vanilla says, I'm excited for this event. Amrita says, super excited. Mayuri says, yes, I'm coming. Naglakshmi says, I'm coming. Sundaresh is also coming. Nagmani is also coming. Fantastic. Yes. So every modality that I teach, every modality that you have learned, you are going to experience it there. Coming from enter with 5 ways of cleansing yourself, to doing Reiki to each other, to doing Ho'oponopono, to doing EFT, to do angel healing, everything we're going to do live over there. To affirmations, to gratitude, to worksheets, everything we're going to do live, right? Another thing that I want a lot of healers to do is I want healers to earn massive money. Doctors are earning money. Engineers are earning money. Architects are doing, interior designers are earning. But when it comes to healing, people underestimate themselves and people underestimate the power to heal another person. Once you come to this event, you get that recognition, that confidence with the association with the winners who are, going to be an example, who say, that I have been able to heal 100 people, 200 people, 800 people. You see that live with your eyes, you get that confidence कि yes, अगर ये कर सकती है, I can do it. अगर वो कर सकता है, तो I can do it. So that confidence is very essential, which comes when you actually see that with your own eyes. And when someone says that I'm feeling low, and that 2 days you go back home, you're no more the same person. You're totally a different person. Like when I started my journey and I had every other occasion to come to an event, I never missed it. The reason is I used to feel that मुझे देखना है ये सच में क्या करते हैं, ये सच में कैसे होते हैं, how are they doing this big numbers, and how are they making themselves grow blown up like this. I want to see that myself with my own eyes. So I used to go that, and that I used to come back home and they say, oh, she did it, so I can also do it. She's doing in something very simple, why can't I do it? And then every time I came back. I used to go to the next level and the next level and Who is MD Roshan? You say, I want to see. You also, I want to see you. So, Charan, are you there right now? Charan, kindly drop your number so MD Roshan can get in touch with you. Unmute yourself, Charan. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, drop your number so Roshan can get in touch with you. So anybody and everybody who feels that I want to see the real transformation in people, I want to see the real transformation in myself, I want to learn, I want to experience, I want to upgrade, I want to earn, come there. You see like-minded people, when people say, how can we earn? You see another person receiving an award who says that I earned 3 lakh rupees in just 1 month. You feel, I can do it. If she can do it, why can't I? And I have so many inspirational stories that people will tell themselves that there's this beautiful saying, na, zero to hero. These are those real stories that you actually see people going from that stage where they feel that I was nothing to becoming something. So to experience that live, I invite you all to come into my 2 days healing live event. It's called Heal and Grow. So whether you want to heal and then grow, or you want to heal others and then grow, both are okay. Because I'm on a mission to create one healer in every house. And that can happen when each of you make hundreds of healers, right? So I invite you with open arms to come, learn, evolve, upgrade, everything. You can't be in the same version all your life. Vijita, are you coming? Where are you from? Which city are you from? Unmute yourself. Unmute, unmute, unmute. Yes.
I'm from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu.
You are my neighbor. I'm in Karnataka.
Okay.
So no excuses.
But basically, I'm from Kerala.
That is also neighbor only. If somebody says Jharkhand, MP, Kashmir, Gujarat, then you're a little far. But if you're my neighbor, you should come.
Work office is there, ma'am.
Who
And
doesn't
this is
have
March
office?
month. No, this is March month, no. So target and everything is there. That's
So
why.
come to the event, upgrade your frequency, that targets happen just like this. Yeah, all right. But definitely find a way to come there because targets happen every year, every month. Events don't happen every year, every month. Right? If you're here in this session and you're listening, it means you're somewhere inclined to learning. Have you taken any of my courses, Vijita?
Just now that Angel it is hearing, I'm just listening to it day by day.
Okay, okay.
Because altogether I heard, I
Okay.
can't get it properly. I'm the
Okay.
first basic learner.
Okay, okay. Good, good, good. Very nice. Yes. Yes. So Renu is asking, event is offline? Yes, it's offline. Where are you, Renu? You were on camera all this while. Suddenly you disappeared. Yes, yes. Unmute yourself. Where are you from?
I'm from Raipur, Chhattisgarh.
You must see Bangalore. It's beautiful.
I've been to Bangalore.
And you like
Favorite place. Favorite. Actually, I'm Radha Swami. I go there every year for the
Okay.
satsang. I
Okay.
love it. My
Okay.
friends are also there.
Then
School
come over.
friends.
What are you?
Definitely.
What is your excuse not to come?
No, my excuse is my family, nothing else.
Your family is always going to be there. They're always going to be there. Give them a reason to miss you.
Yes, I'll try and
Yeah.
get back to you on this.
All right.
Definitely.
So, yes, yes. I have my team's number 63613570828. Talk to him. Understand what all we are doing. He'll help you with everything that you need to come from Raipur to Bangalore.
Is it Upasna is there? I spoke to her. Upasna.
Not Upasna.
No.
We have Charan and we have Mariam.
Charan and Mariam.
Yeah, both
Okay.
are people from the team, and you can get in touch with them. They'll help you with everything that is required.
Okay.
Yeah. Make a note of the number and please call him, ma'am. He'll help you.
63613570828.
Yes.
Got it? Okay. Thank you.
And
Thank
I
you.
want you to come from Raipur.
I really want to come. Seriously.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, yes. So, Renu ma'am, have you taken any of my courses? Which ones?
Bat flower and chakra healing.
Both of them.
Yes, both of them.
All right, done. Yes. Where are you from, Sushant? Unmute. Yeah.
रायगढ़ छत्तीसगढ़ मैम.
Where?
रायगढ़ छत्तीसगढ़.
Chhattisgarh. Okay. And why what is your reason? You're coming, not
मैम
coming?
मैम वो फिजिकली प्रॉब्लम है, पैरालिसिस हुई थी 3 साल से. तो
अच्छा,
मैम बैंगलोर ट्रीटमेंट का जाने का प्लान है, बट नो नॉट दिस टाइम मैम, बिकॉज इट
दोनों टाइम कंबाइन कर लो.
मैम पेरेंट्स दे
अच्छा,
बोथ हैव जॉब ना, तो
अच्छा,
they have
done,
to take leave. My mother is a teacher, so vacation time is must.
done. I'll see how we can work this out. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So just give me 1 minute, just 1 minute. Yes, any more doubts that anybody has, feel free to ask with regards to the healing, self-healing, or learning, or launching, and then I'll be able to help you out. Any questions about any of the courses that you have? Yes, Sundaresh sir. I'll tell you,
Ma'am,
Sundaresh sir, before he asks me anything, I love him because he doesn't find an excuse. He finds a way to do that. When he wanted to heal himself, he found ways to do that. When he wanted to learn, he found ways to do that. When he wanted to come to the event, he found ways to do that. When he wanted to become a super healer, he found a way to do that. And he gives his 100% in doing whatever he does. So I really love you for this wonderful attitude, Sundaresh sir. Kudos to you.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Am I audible?
You are.
Ma'am, see, you told healing for others.
Yeah.
So you mentioned various modalities, chakra,
Yes.
aura, karmic,
Yes.
angels and all.
Yes.
So is it mandatory and essential to know all these things, or if any one or two if you develop it is okay?
So when you learn various healing modalities, you learn that for which person, which one will suit. Like it's the
Okay.
same like MBBS and becoming a specialist for a ear doctor or just a kidney doctor or just a heart doctor. So once you learn everything, you are more able and more knowledgeable, and then you specialize in some problems. So it's easier. So for me, I think every healing modality gives you another knowledge, another field, and another layer of knowledge. So it's powerful to learn many things, and then it's a choice whether you want to use one or two or you want to use 4 5. But my personal experience is when I combine healing modalities, the results are amplified. So the results are fast, and I think everybody wants fast results. Nobody is here to say, okay, I will wait for 2 years and I will wait for the results. No, people want results fast. Just that एक reel में मुझे पूरा information दे दो 30 seconds के अंदर. It's the same way. Give me the shortest way to reach wherever I need to reach, and that's why amplified healing is very good, which comes from using combination of healing modalities. The right combination is very, very important.
So what's the what is your normal times, like shortest time by which we can learn all these things? 2 3 months?
Yes, around 3 months is good, where you actually learn a lot of things. But somewhere you need to begin, and from there, the learning can be fast, it can be slow, it can be like I have taken the shortest time to finish my learning of 40 various courses that I did. I was like, people say that multitasking is bad, but for me, multitasking has been the best superpower. I don't say that you are a jack of all and master of none. I say you're a master of all. You can be a master of all. You are powerful. You have unlimited potential. So I would say that if you wish, you can finish it in 3 months. If you wish, you can finish it in 6 months. If you wish, you will finish it in 6 years also. So it's each one's individual decision how fast I want to evolve. For everyone out here who wants to come and do something, that 2 days they will find 100 ways to come, and those who don't want to come, they will find 100 ways not to come. It is very simple. It's just their own reason, because nobody else is going. They have yet not spoken to anybody, but it is their self-created excuses. So Sundaresh sir, 3 months is a very good time for anybody to learn anything.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Require your blessings.
Shweta Verma Prasad, unmute yourself, please.
गुड इवनिंग मैम.
Good evening.
मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन है, आपका कोर्स सक्सेसफुल मॉर्निंग रूटीन से रिलेटेड है.
हाँ.
उसमें आपने मेंशन किया है कि आपको डेली आपके गोल्स लिखने हैं. तो क्या जैसे मैंने 10 गोल्स बनाए, तो मॉर्निंग में मुझे सारे के सारे गोल्स
आई वुड सजेस्ट कि टॉप 3 गोल्स पहले ले लो, कि सबसे पहले टॉप 3 गोल्स कौन से हैं। ये टॉप 3 गोल्स शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स होने चाहिए, जो आप जितना जल्दी हो सकता है अचीव कर लो। तो अगर आपने 10 गोल लिखे हैं, उसमें से आप उसको उस ऑर्डर में लिखिए कि सबसे पहले कौन सा अचीवेबल है बहुत इजीली, दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा, और इन फर्स्ट 3 गोल्स को लेके उसको हर रोज सुबह लिखना स्टार्ट कीजिए। बिकॉज समटाइम्स हम भटक जाते हैं, देयर सो मच इन द वर्ल्ड व्हिच कैन इजीली डाइवर्ट, लाइक इवन मी, anybody, I'm sure that the social media is very diverting. I am doing one very focused work. The moment I get a message, I open my phone for the message, and then from there automatically I get diverted to another thing and then another thing, and by the time I have to come back, I have to force myself, stop that, you are here on a mission, please come back to whatever your work is. It is so diverting. People call you, or you, so those 3 goals in the morning, when you write them, it reminds you that you are on this mission to finish goal number 1, goal number 2, goal number 3. So every day, please write the first 3 goals. Also, since they are the short term goals, it gives you that belief कि wow, हो गया. Out of 10, 1 is over, second is over, third is over. तो अच्छा लगता है, and then you go to the next and the next and the next. Right? Shweta, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Any
And
more
ma'am,
questions?
one more thing.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. एंड आपने उसमें एक चीज और मेंशन किया है टास्क के लिए कि डेली टू डू लिस्ट होनी चाहिए.
हाँ.
देन टास्क शुड बी रिलेटेड टू योर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ,
Personal life, both.
बोथ. एंड वन मोर क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैम.
I
और
feel
क्या
free
मैं
to
अपने
ask.
एंजल
It's yours.
मैम एंजल ग्रिड जैसे मुझे बनाना है अपना, तो क्या मैं सिर्फ पूजा रूम में बना सकती हूँ साइड पे एक टेबल रख के सुंदर सा उसे सजा के?
आप बना सकते हो. आपको अगर एक
ओके मैम.
अलग जगह बनाना है, जिसको हम एंजल ऑल्टर बोलते हैं, वहां बना सकते हो कहीं पे, या अगर आपको लगता है कि मंदिर में ही बनाना है तो बना सकते हो. बोथ आर ओके.
और बेडरूम में तो नहीं मैम?
बेडरूम में भी बना सकते हैं. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. एंजल ऑल्टर, एब्सोल्युटली नो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. And one more thing, ma'am. Thank you to Mariam. Because of Mariam, मैंने बहुत सारे कोर्सेज बैक टू बैक लिए. द वे शी एक्सप्लेन्ड, पहले मैं आपसे टच में थी, बट विद इन 2 or 3 months आई जस्ट पिक्ड अप 20+ कोर्सेज.
वाओ,
दिसंबर, जनवरी एंड विद इन व्हाट मैम?
कौन कौन से कोर्सेज लिए हैं?
चक्रा, ऑरेकल, एंजल, अभी जस्ट रिसेंटली मैंने लिया ऑरेकल कार्ड्स का लिया, और 5-6 भी कंटिन्यू लिए. और कल परसों में मैंने लिए कलर थेरेपी, सरस्वती रेखी, मनी रेखी,
वाओ.
और भी अभी जस्ट रेखी लेने वाली हूँ मैम. विद इन अ वीक वो भी रेखी भी ले लूंगी मैं.
वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम, श्वेता?
आई एम फ्रॉम झारखंड मैम.
अभी मरियम को बोलूं आपको इवेंट में आने के लिए, कि मैं बोलूंगी तो आप सुनोगे?
मैम मरियम ने मुझे बहुत बोला, आई एम ट्राइंग माई लेवल बेस्ट. आई विल नॉट गिव यू एनी एक्सक्यूज एट द लास्ट मोमेंट. आई विल ट्राई डेफिनेटली कि मैं आऊँ, क्योंकि ये मेरी दिली इच्छा है कि मैं आपसे फेस टू फेस मिलूं. बहुत मतलब मेरी दिली इच्छा है.
अभी फिलहाल मुझे आपको देखना है, आप बिना कैमरा का ऐसे बात करोगे, कम से कम लेट मी सी हाउ श्वेता वर्मा प्रसाद लुक्स.
मैम मेरे यहाँ पावर ऑफ है, और जैसे ही मैंने कैमरा ऑफ किया, फिर थोड़ा ये गांव है तो नेटवर्क इश्यू बहुत है मैम यहाँ.
नो प्रॉब्लम. सी यू इन बैंगलोर.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू.
यस. विदुलिका, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
गुड इवनिंग मैम, हाउ आर यू?
फैंटास्टिक.
फैंटास्टिक. मैंने तो टिकट्स भी बुक कर लिए हैं, और जो वेन्यू है वहां पे रूम भी बुक कर लिया है.
वाओ.
एज यू नो कि माय हस्बैंड इज देयर इन बैंगलोर, तो एक यहाँ से एक और बच्ची आ रही है, तो उसका वो सब देखते हुए वो जाएंगे सैटरडे को. तो कोई दूसरा होटल भी मिलता है तो ही विल सर्च एंड ही विल.
I'll share you the details right away where you can talk for the hotels. 2-3 आस-पास में, एकदम पास वाला I'll give you with all
Yeah.
different.
एक्चुअली मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है वहां पे रुकने में, लेकिन वो बच्ची जो मेरे साथ आ रही है उसको प्रॉब्लम है.
Vidulika, you can connect with people and stay together in sharing rooms, 2 sharing, 3 sharing rooms है वहां पे. तो
हाँ, दैट्स वाई ना, मैंने अपना कर लिया, बट शी टोल्ड मी कि मैम मैं पहली बार जा रही हूँ, आपके साथ जा रही हूँ, तो मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा फाइनेंशियली प्रॉब्लम होगा. सो आई सेड ओके, मेरे हस्बैंड वहीं पे है, सो ही विल गो ऑन सैटरडे. उसके बजट के हिसाब से फिर वो देखेंगे, देन ही विज फाइन. बट अभी अगर मैं अकेले आती हूँ तो मेरा तो वेन्यू पे ही बुक है.
ठीक है।
ताकि मैं आपसे ज्यादा दूर रहूं ही नहीं। एंड आई हैव बुक्ड फ्रॉम 28 टू 31st,
वाओ
क्योंकि
वाओ।
चेक इन टाइम उनका 1 बजे का है ना, इसीलिए तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा। सो सेकेंडली कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट अ शेयरिंग। एंड पहली बात मैं आपको बताऊं, मैं आपकी 15 दिन से परिचित नहीं हूं, मैं 2 साल पुरानी शिष्या हूं जो
Really?
भटक गई थी।
अच्छा भटक गई। अच्छा ओके।
सम हाउस होल्ड थिंग्स, मेरी बहन प्रेग्नेंट थी आईवीएफ से, तो उसके पास जाना पड़ा था। सो मतलब 15 साल बाद प्रेग्नेंट हुई थी, तो मुझे उसको टाइम देना था बोल के मैंने सबसे पहले आपका थीटा वाला कोर्स लिया था 2 साल पहले।
अच्छा अच्छा।
एंड अभी आज मैं आई एम फीलिंग प्राउड, आई हैव टेकन 25 कोर्सेस,
वाओ।
जिसमें से मैंने अभी 6 से 7 तो पूरे कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं, क्योंकि आप मल्टीटास्किंग बोल रहे हो ना। सो मैं पूना में अकेले रह रही हूँ, बेटी मुंबई में जॉब करती है, हस्बैंड बैंगलोर में, आपके उधर ही।
ये
सो
सारा
मैंने
सिचुएशन कितना अच्छा है खुद लर्निंग के लिए।
या सो अभी क्या है कि सुबह का टाइम मेरा होता है, जो मैंने अभी मतलब 15 दिन से आपसे इसलिए परिचित हूँ क्योंकि मैंने सुपर हीलर अभी ज्वाइन किया, इतना लेट है ना। सो वो जो मरियम ने जो शी इज टू गुड, रियली मरियम इज टू गुड। तो उसका हेल्पिंग नेचर भी बहुत अच्छा है, उसकी आवाज भी बहुत प्यारी है। तो
आई एग्री।
या सो वो मुझे जो रिकॉर्डिंग्स पहले वाली भेज रही है सुपर हीलर की ना, तो मैं सुबह का टाइम उसमें लगाती हूँ, फ्रेश माइंड से 2-3 घंटे उसमें पढ़ाई करके नोट्स बनाती हूँ। एंड यू वोंट बिलीव, आई एम कैरिंग माई बुक्स विथ मी, ऑल द बुक्स विथ मी, जिसमें नोट्स बना रही हूँ। देन आफ्टरनून का टाइम मैंने दिया हुआ है आपके जो कोर्सेज देखती हूँ उसके लिए, उसके जो नोट्स बनाती हूँ। इवनिंग टाइम मेरा रिवीजन का होता है, दोनों चीजों का कंबाइन। सो मैं वही बताना चाह रही थी, एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू पे ग्रेटिट्यूड, इट्स अ शेयरिंग ओनली, देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि काफी साल से मैं हीलिंग मोडालिटी में हूँ। बट ओ होपोनोपोनो का मैंने रिसेंटली परसों ही खत्म किया है आपका कोर्स। सो मुझे एक ब्लॉकेज था कि जब भी मैं ओ होपोनोपोनो करती हूँ, स्पेशली फॉर मी ओनली, मुझे बैक पेन होता है। तो जब मैंने ओ होपोनोपोनो आपका वाला किया, और जो उसमें अपने बेसिक एंड एडवांस सिखाया है, सबसे पहले मैंने वही कट की विद द हेल्प ऑफ माइकल। एंड यू वोंट बिलीव, आपको पता है मेरा एक पेट है, वो 1 महीने से बहुत बीमार है, चल नहीं पा रहा है। सो मैंने एंजेलिक आपका किया, एंजेलिक हीलिंग, देन ओहोपोनोपोनो किया, रेकी ऑलरेडी मैं मास्टर हूँ, अभी वो भी करना है मेरे को, मैंने वो भी लिया है आपका। सो मैंने वो सबको कंबाइन किया, एंड सुबह मैं उसको हीलिंग देती हूँ, शाम को उसको हीलिंग देती हूँ। आज ये चमत्कार हुआ है कि मुझे बैक पेन होता है करीब 1 साल से, यहाँ पे कमर के पास, डॉक्टर्स ने बोला पता नहीं क्या क्या जम गया है, वो उसको ठीक करना पॉसिबल नहीं है। आज ये चैलेंज था, आज सुबह जब मैं उठी मैंने ओहोपोनोपोनो अपने लिए किया, और उसमें मुझे एक सेंटेंस आपका बहुत अच्छा लगा कि देयर इज समथिंग विद इन मी जो कि मुझे नहीं पता है ना। सो मैंने वो सेंटेंस को पकड़ के किया कि देयर इज समथिंग विद इन मी विच इज हार्मिंग मी एंड विच इज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू मी, उसको आप हील करो। एंड मैंने एन नंबर ऑफ मतलब रैंडमली ओहोपोनोपोनो किया, एंड यू वोंट बिलीव, मैंने जब पैर रखा है मुझे अभी तक पेन नहीं है, वो
वाओ।
अभी तक वो पेन नहीं है। एंड जो मेरा पेट बीमार है, जो चल नहीं रहा है, कल उसको ओहोपोनोपो, और उसको भी मैंने बोला कि वो तुम अपने आप से बोलो आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, थैंक यू, आई लव यू बोलो। है मैं अगर मेरे कारण तुमको, क्योंकि वो मेरे साथ ही रह रहा है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम आई है तो मैंने अपने लिए तरफ से भी बोला। आप यकीन करोगे आज वो 4-5 कदम चला है आफ्टर अ मंथ, मंथ भी नहीं, 19 जनवरी से वो नहीं चल रहा है, अब तो मार्च आ गया, आज 3-4 स्टेप वो चला है। एंड आपसे एक चीज पूछनी थी कि जब मैं मेडिटेशन कर रही थी तो मेरा भाई भी पहले जनवरी में आईसीयू में था, क्रिटिकल कंडीशन में, अभी फैब 2nd वीक में डिस्चार्ज होके आया है। आई डोंट नो व्हाई, जब आपने वो माँ वाला करवाया ना, मेरे पेरेंट्स नहीं है, मेरी माँ को गए 26 साल हो गए हैं, तो जब आपने माँ वाला कराया ना तो वो रिकॉर्डिंग में भी रोई, और जब मैंने खुद से किया तब भी मैं रोई। उसी समय क्लिक किया, ऐसा इंट्यूशन आया कि मेरे जो छोटे भाई बहन है, जो भाई एडमिट था और उससे छोटी बहन, उनको लेके तुम जूम पे करो। तो मैंने अभी उसको फोन किया था दोपहर में, अभी उसका वही फोन आया था कि क्या, मैंने कहा नहीं मैम का क्लास चल रहा है, इसके बाद में बात करूंगी। तो शुड आई गो फर्दर?
या यू शुड, यू आर अ हीलर डार्लिंग, यू शुड।
तो बस वही था, मतलब मेरे पास वर्ड्स नहीं है आपके लिए ग्रेटिट्यूड देने के लिए। बहुत जगह से बहुत कुछ सीखा है, और सच बताऊं, मैं संस्कृत एचओडी रही हूँ 22 साल, प्योरली हिंदी। और मैं नॉर्थ से हूँ, एमपी से, प्योरली हिंदी। लेकिन आपकी इंग्लिश ऐसी है ना, ऐसा लगता है जैसे या तो कोई संस्कृत बोल रहा है मेरे से, क्योंकि संस्कृत वाली थी मैं, या हिंदी बोल रहा है। आपकी हिंदी, मैं आप यहाँ से सुनती हूँ लैपटॉप पे और यहाँ हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके लिखती हूँ, क्योंकि आई विल गो फर्दर विथ हिंदी ओनली ना। तो और बंगाली कोर्सेज बनाने तो हिंदी और बंगाली में ही बनाऊंगी। बट आपकी हिंदी भी, सॉरी, इंग्लिश भी इतनी अच्छी है ना। और जब आप उसमें हिंदी डाल देते हो, ऐसा लगता है क्रीम 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 हो गया सब।
इंग्लिश।
तो इंग्लिश, हाँ। नहीं, आपकी इंग्लिश नहीं होती मैम। इंग्लिश है तो प्योर इंग्लिश है, हिंदी है तो प्योर। मेरी एक बोलना नहीं चाहिए, मेंटर थी, वो इंजीनियर थी, बट वो फॉरेन कंट्री को फॉरिजन कंट्री बोलती थी। 2-3 मैंने उनसे सीखा, लेकिन वो बना नहीं, तो मैंने छोड़ दिया फिर। लेकिन उसके बाद ही मैंने आपके लिए, आप, मुझे लगा था मेरे से भी लिस्ट पूछोगे, तो मैंने हार्ट के साथ यहाँ बना के रखे हैं।
वाओ, बताओ बताओ बताओ, सबको
एक
बताओ क्या
मिनट
क्या
में,
सीखा है।
हाँ। मैंने लिए, अच्छा, मैंने भी ना मोडालिटीज जो ली ना, सब एक पे ऊपर एक कनेक्टेड ली हैं। लाइक हील योर सेल्फ ली, देन कर्मा एंड कॉर्ड कटिंग, ईएफटी ली, मंत्रा मेडिटेशन, कार्मिक ब्लॉक्स, फिर क्लियर पावर्स, ओ होपोनोपोनो डन, फिर एंजल सिंबल डन, रेकी लेवल 1 2 3 मतलब मास्टर भी, वो मैं धीरे से करूंगी क्योंकि वो मेरा रिवीजन है, इसलिए मुझे टाइम लगेगा। क्रिस्टल हीलिंग, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एनएलपी, पर्सनलाइज लक्ष्मी यंत्र, जो मैं अभी शुक्रवार को करूंगी। अष्ट लक्ष्मी रेकी थोड़ा शुरू हो गया है। आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड, कलर थेरेपी, बीच फ्लावर रेमेडीज, वेरियस क्लिनजिंग मेथड्स एंड माइंडफुलनेस। ये जो है, जो मैंने अभी लिए हैं, तो कुछ हुए हैं, जो हो चुके हैं। हीलिंग विथ थीटा ब्रेन वेव्स, इसको तो ये वाले ने तो मेरे हस्बैंड को भी बहुत सपोर्ट किया था। वो समय में उनका पीआईपी चल रहा था आईबीएम का, तो उस समय फिर मैंने उनको भी लगा देती थी एयरफोन, सुनो सुनो बस। एंड अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि डन, एंजल हीलिंग डन, शिवा रेकी डन, साइंस एंड लॉ ऑफ मैनिफेस्टेशन, ये अभी आधा चल रहा है। सो काफी 7-8 हो गए हैं, टोटल 25 की लिस्ट है।
वाओ।
क्योंकि मैं अब इसमें से और भी कम से कम 8-10 मेरे हो जाएंगे। बट मेरी सोच ये नहीं है कि वीडियो देखो, नहीं, वीडियो देखो और समझो और लिखो, वो करो, भले स्लो जाओ, बट कम से कम ऐसा हो कि आप ही कल से मेरे टीचर हो, कुछ पूछ लो कहीं से, आना तो चाहिए ना।
विदुलिका, यू आर मेकिंग मी फील सो गुड, आई टेल यू, कि जितना अच्छा किसी को लगता है सीख के, मुझे उतना अच्छा लग रहा है सिखा के।
तो मैं अब आपकी 2 साल पुरानी स्टूडेंट हूँ,
Yes,
हाँ।
sorry for
15
saying
दिन
that.
पुरानी नहीं।
Guys, I correct this. Vidulika is a 2-year-old student.
मैम, बस एक छोटा सा डाउट था। वो ये था कि आपने जो वो अगरबत्ती का बोला, मैं डेली पूजा के टाइम में वो काऊ डंग का जो आता है ना, जिसमें सारा कुछ रहता है, मैं उसको पूरे घर में रोटेट करती हूँ।
Yes, yes, possible.
क्लॉकवाइज पूरा एक सर्कल करके डोर से पूरा लॉक करती हूँ। तो उसके बाद भी मुझे वो करना है क्या?
नहीं, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं, तब आपको करना है। जब आप ये वाला करोगे, तब खिड़कियां और डोर खोल के करो। यू हैव टू ओपन ऑल द विंडोज एंड डोर्स।
हाँ, वो तो रहता है जब भी मैं करती हूँ ना। इवन आज आपने जो बोली वो नई चीज थी कि बाथरूम में भी करना है। मैं
right.
बाथरूम में अंदर जाके नहीं करती हूँ, देहरी पे खड़े होकर उसका धुआं जाने देती हूँ।
वो भी चलेगा।
चलेगा ना? बस आई कांट वेट, मुझे मिलना है आपसे। इवन मैंने मरिया से बोला है कि ड्रेस कोड बताओ, ब्लैक ब्लू अलाउड है कि नहीं वो बताओ। नहीं तो अभी तो हस्बैंड चले गए, अब वो आएंगे सीधे 24 या 25 को। मेरे पास बहुत छोटा टाइम रहेगा जाके शॉपिंग करने का, जल्दी आप ड्रेस कोड बताओ।
नहीं, मैंने डिस्कस किया पूरे टीम के साथ, और उन्होंने बोला कि मैम उनको छूट दो, कि जो मर्जी वो अच्छा लगे उनको पहन के आने दो। सो आई सेड चलो, व्हाट एवर यू लाइक यू कैन वेयर एंड कम।
मैंने एक वो खरीदी टी शर्ट,
वाओ।
उसमें वो मेडिटेशन करती हुई लेडी बैठी है। तो
वाओ।
मैं पहले तो साड़ी पहन रही थी, बट फिर हुआ ये कि आपने बोला कि क्या कहते हैं, मतलब ड्रेस कोड आप बताओगे और सुबह से शाम तक शायद उसी में रहना पड़ जाए। तो मैंने कहा नहीं, आई विल चेंज। साड़ी में कंफर्टेबल नहीं होगा।
कम इन व्हाटएवर यू फील इज कंफर्टेबल।
हाँ, बस मुझे कलर का ही डाउट था, क्योंकि अभी पिछले में जब शिवा रेकी हुआ था तो आपने ब्लू एंड ब्लैक मना किया था ना।
अट्यूनमेंट के लिए है। अट्यूनमेंट आई डोंट वांट टू डू इन ब्लैक।
तो उसमें तो पहन सकते हैं ना फिर।
पहन लो।
चलो, तो एक शॉपिंग बच गई मेरी। थैंक यू सो मच मैम, ग्रेटिट्यूड, थैंक यू सो मच।
पद्मिनी मैम, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
मैम मेरे को कैलेंडर का लिंक भेज देना, क्योंकि आई सीम टू हैव मिसप्लेस्ड
यस
इट।
यस, I will share.
Okay.
I'll share.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes, any more doubts, anybody? Bharti ma'am, unmute yourself, please.
Ma'am, I just wanted that hotel, this number, so that I can book a room, like.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm coming on there for the event.
Okay.
Yeah, we three are coming. Means, I and my husband have booked the ticket of the event, but my son is also coming.
Wow, welcome.
Yeah,
Welcome.
thank you.
Preetam, where are you? Unmute yourself. Can we see you, Preetam?
yes.
Yes, Preetam.
हाय मुझे एक बार वो अगरबत्ती वाला जो बोला ना आपने कि पूरे घर में करना है रोटेट, वो एक बार थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करेंगे?
आपको हर कोने में जाना है और उसको एंटी क्लॉकवाइज 3 बार घुमा के रम 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 बोलना है. रम इज द बीज मंत्र ऑफ फायर विच विल रिमूव नेगेटिविटी इफ यू फील लो इन द हाउस.
अच्छा, तो ये करते वक्त जैसे स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम माय हॉल का डोर, वहां से मैं अगर
रैंडमली
तो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज घूमना है या क्लॉकवाइज ही घूमना है?
नहीं, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज एट द कॉर्नर, जो भी कॉर्नर है उधर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज घूमना है.
हाँ, तो घूमना मतलब पूरे घर में जो घूमना है वो कैसे भी
That's
घूम
not a
सकते हैं ना,
problem.
दैट इज
हाँ, that is not a problem. You can go in any order, but you have to cover the whole house.
okay. And we have to go in the bathrooms also, and we have to do that.
Initially, when you feel there's a lot of stuck energy, you can do that. Eventually, आप हफ्ते में एक बार, 10 दिन में एक बार, 15 दिन में एक बार भी करोगे तो चलेगा. Down the line.
एंड अदरवाइज जो क्लॉकवाइज है वो डेली हम कर सकते हैं हर कोने में जाके, एंड ओनली ड्यूरिंग दैट एंटी क्लॉकवाइज वी हैव टू ओपन ऑल द डोर्स.
Yes, that is cleansing. Basically, when you're cleansing the place.
Okay, okay. Yes, thank you, yes.
Yes, Sundaresh sir.
One small suggestion.
Yeah.
When Vidulika ji talked about dress code, why don't you give some t-shirts for the 2 days? Heal and grow.
T-shirts are for the gold seats.
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry. We are giving you t-shirt. Vidulika has to not worry. She is also coming with a gold ticket. So don't worry.
It will be like a community feeling, na ma'am? Nice,
Yeah.
with all in one color.
Yeah. Of course, I'm giving.
Thank you.
Shweta, you can unmute yourself. Is that an old hand or a new hand? You had a question?
It's new hand, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have a question.
Yeah.
Ma'am, daily I'm using a red jasper bracelet and 7 chakra bracelet. So should I use the anklet also?
Anklet?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a Muladhara problem, it's good that you wear an anklet because it's associated to the root chakra and the legs are associated to the root chakra. So if you're wearing it for the reason of Muladhara, please wear an anklet.
Yes, ma'am. I have a problem related to root chakra, varicose veins issues.
Yeah, you can wear it as feet also.
Which crystal is best, ma'am? Hematite या फिर
both are good. Hematite also is good for grounding. And if you're wearing red jasper in your hand, you can wear hematite in your feet.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, everyone, for giving me your valuable time and wishing you lots of luck, abundance, prosperity, joy, and lots of love. Seeing each one of you in the event is like my dream come true. Yes, Amrita, this is for you. Yes, Vidulika, this is also for you. Yeah? Yes, 1 minute. Someone is raising the hand. Sonia, unmute yourself, please. Yeah, Sonia, I'm sharing right now in the group. Are you there on the event group, WhatsApp group? Sonia? Sonia, I'm sharing in the group the hotel details right now. Okay? Okay. Yes, Preetam?
Hello. Yeah. Just before this session, I said, both the meetings are important for me. The another meeting got postponed by 25 minutes.
Wow.
It just started now, so I will attend that now.
Yes. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, Sonia ma'am, I'm giving you
Hi.
the hotel details now after this.
Yeah. I just
Are you
wanted
there
to
on the
say,
WhatsApp group?
yeah, I am there.
Hmm.
I've taken more than 15 modalities from you.
Wow.
And I'm a healer, but I was not sure whether I'll be coming from Delhi. But somehow I made up my mind. I've taken the golden ticket.
Wow.
So I just wanted to know, yeah, the hotel details nearby, and we will be getting like Reiki healing, you said in the beginning.
You as a
Reiki healing.
healer will be giving to everybody.
Okay, but I don't know Reiki. I have done angelic healing and
Then
Lama
you
Fera.
receive Reiki.
Yeah, Lama Fera I've done, and I've done angelic healing.
We're going to have two groups, one who are giving, one who are receiving. So you can choose
Okay.
which group you want to belong to.
Okay, fine. Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Yes. Thank you everyone for giving me your valuable time, and see you soon. Yeah. Take care.